Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Samsung down and removing the SIM tray to avoid data corruption. Once the SIM is out, inspect the gold contacts for scratches or dirt and clean them gently with a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl if needed. Make sure the SIM is provisioned by your carrier by testing it in another unlocked phone. If it works elsewhere, the problem is phone side. If the tray or SIM slot looks damaged, pause and document what you see before continuing. With the clean SIM reinserted in the correct orientation, boot the phone and open settings to mobile networks. Once there, choose network operators and scan manually to force the carrier registration. This solves many emergency-only issues caused by wrong bands or roaming settings. If the SIM still shows emergency calls only, reset network settings. This clears APNs and radio caches, but keeps personal files. Make sure you've backed up or noted Wi-Fi passwords, because the reset removes saved networks and VPN profiles. Now handle the advanced steps. Update the phone's system and carrier settings to ensure compatible radio firmware. Outdated firmware can force emergency-only behavior. Once done, inspect the SIM slot with a flashlight for bent pins and test with a known good SIM or different tray. Sometimes a cheap adapter or warped tray causes poor contact. If the issue persists, back up your data and perform a factory reset. If that fails, contact your carrier for provisioning checks or get the SIM slot repaired. Troubleshooting tip: try another working SIM to isolate phone versus SIM.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.